Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about some interesting topics called interface in C Sharp. So what is interface? Interface is nothing but it will provide you, or it will give you the achievement of a runtime polymorphism. So as a developer point of view, we can invoke interface to different classes with same interface reference. Suppose I have an interface, I can declare my method there, and I can invoke that method or the function to n number of classes, and I can implement and I can execute that method in the runtime. So I told it will give you, or it will provide you the way to achieve the runtime polymorphism. Okay, let's go and explain in a code level. So I have my interface called my interface. So I have a interface here. So here actually I can only declare my method here. There is no access modifiers is allowed here. So initially I just keep my simple method called method with null parameter. Okay, my interface is defined here. So now I have a class called public class. Class 1. Okay, so I have one more class called public class 2. So I want this method to be implemented class 1 as well as class 2. So how to achieve this? By inheriting my interface here. So here you see the tab, so it will derive you automatically the implementation. So I just click on the implement my interface, so my method get implemented here. So same like here also I can inherit my interface. See, now my method got, once I hit my class 2, whatever the implementation is done in the method, it will execute in the runtime. So if I go and hit my class 1, whatever the methods implemented here, so anyways my declaration is common, so I can define this in my interface, and I can reusable in every classes. So here actually in interface we can achieve the multiple inheritance. So how I will show you that in next example. Like interface my interface 2, I declare the name interface 2, and here I just mention something like method 1 to differentiate from first class to here. So initially I just want to show you some basic level of steps. Okay, so now what I will do, I just use my comma operator, and I just inherit my class, and I just do my implementation. So I achieved my implementation of second interface method to here. The same like I can do n number of inheritance of interfaces. So here we can easily achieve my reusability stuffs. It will be like loosely coupled. Whenever in a runtime you want to achieve something, you can inherit and you can use this. Okay, this is the way to declare and implement the interfaces. So next session I will go deeply about the next level of whatever the tricks and tips of interfaces. Thanks for watching the video, guys.